Hello everybody, Ghost Souls here, bringing you all a detailed how to cop guide for the upcoming SB Dunk releases, these being the Nike Dunk Low Plum and the Nike SB Strangelove. These are both extremely hyped releases and it seems like the Nike Dunk train isn't stopping anytime soon. These are both set to drop on the 7th of February and will drop at select Nike retailers and select SB skate shops. Now let's get started. I'll go through each one respectively, and for specific information on each shoe, check the description for the relevant timestamps. First, I'll get into the Nike Dunk Low Plum. Now this shoe is a must cop as it's the first time we've seen it renewed after a long 19 years. Released initially as a Japan exclusive in 2001 as part of the Ugly Duckling pack, we see it pitched for a worldwide release this time in the month of February. It will come constructed in a premium soft suede and almost velvety shades of purple with hard-hitting red accents on the laces, Nike tick and outsole. Now the most obvious way of acquiring these will be on the 7th on the Nike SNEAKRS app at a retail of $110. Expect these to drop at 8 AM GMT for UK and 10 AM Eastern Standard Time for US. If you want a comprehensive guide on how to increase your chances at securing these on the SNEAKRS app, let me know in the comments below. But to sum up how to enter the draw, you must have a SNEAKRS account registered on your smartphone. You must then make sure to be signed in and have already pre-filled your shipping and billing information. Be sure to be up around 10 minutes before the drop, and the minute it hits the hour, you'll see it turn from coming soon to the retail price listed. Once this happens, tap the price shown and quickly finalize your entry. Since this is a stated Leo drop, which is essentially a 2 to 3 minute raffle, you'll then be told you're in line. If you're successful, you'll be given the coveted gotten message, which is the final hurdle in securing these. If not, you'll see the more common sold out message, meaning that you've been unsuccessful. Fingers crossed. Aside from the SNEAKRS app release, these will also be available at select retailers, of which some have already started to announce raffles. Now the raffles so far that I'm going to mention will be worldwide for the Nike Dunk Low Plum and are as follows. We'll have End Clothing doing both an online raffle and in-store at selected End stores. The draw will close on the 7th and the in-store will open on the 4th and close on the 5th. We also have SNS running a raffle on their app for both an in-store pickup and online delivery option that will close on the 6th of February. Good Hood will also have an online raffle that will close on the 7th, and Hanon will have one that will close on the 6th. But be wary with Hanon as they require a payment hold until they draw for winners. Foot District will also have a raffle going that will close on the 5th, and finally Naked Copenhagen will have a first come first serve raffle, which is essentially if you get picked you have to be ready to receive a product link to check out with at drop time, as winning emails don't guarantee you a pair through this retailer. Just to remind you, these are the active ones at the minute. I'll keep the description updated if more get announced. Now let's get into the Nike SB Strangelove release. This pair of shoes has already had a bit of controversy as a special edition box version was set to drop on the 1st of February over on their website, strangeloveskateboards.com. But in order to combat bots, they decided to completely pull the stock from the website that was accidentally loaded up the day before that people were able to check out with links on their site's backend. In my opinion, they should have just ran an online or Instagram raffle, but you know, a lot of people have speculated that they backdoored this special release version, and I have to say I kind of agree. Or they've just kind of sold it locally, as to me it doesn't make sense to cancel a release you already have stock for. Now, the standard release has not been cancelled, so that's still happy days for everyone that's looking to get these, myself included. The Nike SB Strangelove is inspired by Sean Cliver's lifelong love of skateboarding. The collaboration is decorated in a vibrant Valentine's Day tone. The whole shoe is dressed in a white crushed velvet base layer and is tied together by pink suede accents and finished off with a splash of love reds. This is all embellished with Sean Cliver's heart skull logo embroidered under the Nike swoosh. Like the Plums, the most accessible release for most of us will be on the Nike SNEAKRS app. This shoe will drop on the app on the 8th of February at 8 AM GMT for the UK and 10 AM Eastern Standard Time for the US. Refer back to the Plum SNEAKRS guide in this video if you're wondering how to go about entering this. The raffles listed for the Strangelove are pretty similar to the Plums, although it is worth mentioning a lot of local SB selling skate shops will have these around the world. There's an Instagram that specializes in sourcing this information called @NikesBoreNothing. I'll leave a link to that page in the description so you can see if any of your local skate shops will have these. The other retailers that have started raffles for these are as follows. End Clothing will have an online raffle and in-store raffle. The online one will close on the 8th, and the in-store will open on the 5th and close on the 6th. The SNS app will also be hosting an online raffle with in-store and online deliveries. Slam, City Skates, and Hanon have both a payment hold raffle that if you win, you'll automatically have your order shipped, and if you lose, your money will be returned to you within 3 to 5 days of drawing. Lo-Fi and Cali Roots will also be hosting an online raffle too that will both be closing on the 6th of February. Lobby Hamburg are also hosting a limited Instagram raffle that will close on the 5th. Again, do keep in mind there's probably a lot more of these raffles on the way, but these are the ones I've seen so far that ship worldwide. Keep an eye on the description for any updates I find. I hope this guide helps increase your chances at copping both of these sneakers. Do let me know if you'd like to see a complete guide to the SNEAKRS app. I hope you guys found this video insightful. Do let me know which one of these you're looking to pick up in the comments below. If you want to see more videos similar to this one, please make sure you hit that like button and hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with my videos. It's been Ghost Souls. Thanks for watching.